Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Have you ever stopped to think about the incredible work your lungs do every single second of every single day? It's pretty amazing when you consider it. Let's take a deep dive into how these vital organs keep you alive and kicking. So, picture this. Nestled safely inside your chest are your lungs, two soft, spongy powerhouses. Every time you take a breath, you're kicking off a super important process. Air comes in through your nose or mouth, travels down your windpipe, and splits off into your lungs. It's like a highway for air. But what happens once it gets there? Well, that's where the real magic begins. Inside your lungs are millions and millions of tiny, balloon-like air sacs called alveoli. Think of them as the gatekeepers between the air you breathe and your bloodstream. When you inhale, these little sacs grab the oxygen from the air. It's like they're picking out the good stuff. Then they pass that precious oxygen directly into your blood, which is flowing right next to them. It's an incredibly efficient exchange system, but it's a two-way street. At the very same moment, the alveoli are also collecting a waste gas called carbon dioxide from your blood. Your body produces carbon dioxide as it uses energy, and it needs a way to get rid of it. The alveoli are on it. They pull it out of the blood and prepare it for the journey out. Once your blood is loaded up with fresh oxygen, your heart steps in. It acts like a powerful pump, sending this newly oxygenated blood all around your body. It goes to your brain so you can think clearly, to your muscles so you can move, and to all your other organs so they can do their jobs. That feeling of energy you get, you can thank your lungs and heart for that fantastic delivery service. Then it's time to exhale. When you breathe out, you're releasing all that carbon dioxide the alveoli collected. It travels back up your windpipe and out of your body. And just like that, the cycle starts all over again, about 12 to 20 times a minute, without you even having to think about it. Having healthy lungs means you can breathe with ease, stay active, run, jump, and just feel full of life. So, how can we show our lungs some love? The best things you can do are to avoid smoking, try to get regular exercise, and breathe clean air whenever possible. Taking care of your lungs is a huge part of taking care of your overall health. Healthy lungs truly do mean a healthy life. Thanks for watching today. If you found this interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more cool facts about the human body. See you in the next video.